Hello class 9 children. Now today we are going to study another topic of IT, and you all know we are doing digital documentation unit. So basically today we are going to study formatting a document. What is the meaning of the term formatting? Formatting means making changes. Now all of you have already made a document and you are supposed to make changes in it. Now why you are supposed to make changes in it? So you have entered something wrong, or you have written an essay on Independence Day and you want to remove it and make it more, the whatever editing you want to do, whatever changes you want to do in that essay, or you want to remove that Independence Day essay and write on another topic. So for that case we need formatting to make changes in the document. Now in order to format a document, what you will be doing is, whenever you will open LibreOffice, you will go to format option above on the menu bar. There you will find page setup, and in that you will find page option. Now page option will allow you to make changes in the paper size. Why do we need paper size here? If you want to print it on our A3 size paper or A4 size paper or A5, that we can do. Then orientation. Orientation here means that you want it to be portrait or landscape. Whenever you take a printout, you want it in vertical form, that is known as portrait, or in a horizontal form, that is known as landscape. So whichever orientation you want, you can set it from here. Now what are the various methods of formatting a document? So first one is there are various methods. First one is using menu options from the menu bar. So on the menu bar, that means the bar present at the top of the LibreOffice, just beneath the title bar, there you will find the format option. Or you can use readily available buttons on the toolbar. Now toolbar has readily available buttons like you have in your MS Word. You have buttons for changing the font size, or you want to change the font style. So these are the various readily available buttons that you can use. Then third one is using the context menu. Now what is the meaning of context menu? Whenever you right click, suppose you right click on my computer, so a box opens up, so that is known as your context menu. Whenever you are opening your any application from the desktop directly, so what you will do, you will right click, you will go to new, and then you will open MS Word or any other application, PowerPoint or spreadsheet. So that right click, that thing appears, that box appears, that is known as your context menu. And last is you can always use the keyboard shortcuts. Now what are keyboard shortcuts? Directly using these keyboard shortcuts, for example, you have Ctrl+A for selecting the text, whole text in the document. So you can use such keyboard shortcuts to format the document. I will be taking these methods one by one. So whenever you want to make changes to your document, you can select any of these methods. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.